How to change phone number on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the Phone Settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down to view your number. Tap on your number if you want to change it. Here, remove your current number and enter a new one. After that, tap on Save at the top. Following these steps, you can easily change phone number on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.